Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me video. I'm going to be using all of my favorite brushes. So normally when I do get ready in the morning, I kind of just don't use all of these brushes. I kind of like pick out other ones. But in this video, I just wanted to show you using all of my favorite brushes. I have so many. Okay, we're gonna start by applying my face primer. So this is the Jafra Beauty all-in-one mattifying primer. I like to use this alone in the summer and just like under the eyes and any blemish. I put concealer on. That looks great alone, just with this. But today I'm actually going to be using a foundation. So yeah, for a brush we're going to be using is the Bdellium brush, and this is the muscle brush. I love to use this one for primer. It's awesome. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this on the back of my hand to apply it all over the face. Okay, so I have some multiple brushes that are used for pretty much the same thing that I wanted to show you, but they're also my favorites, but I just wanted to use one of my favorite of each category. So this is from also Anissa Beauty. This is the Pinnacle Foundation Brush. I absolutely love this brush. It's really, really nice. So I'm going to use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Perfector 4-in-1 Glow Makeup. Or no, this is the Whipped Matte Makeup to buff this into the skin. Okay, so another brush that I use for foundation is the e.l.f. Foundation Blurring Brush. I really, really like this one. I normally use this one with a tinted moisturizer and this one with something like this. But these are my two favorite foundation brushes. So I'm going to be using this brush pretty much twice, but in using two different things, I guess. So first we're going to use this to brush up the brows. I use this brush for either brows or eyeliner. We're going to use this one for this brush later for eyeliner. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Jafra, what is this? Volumizing Brow Gel. And we're just going to apply this to the brows. Then we're going to go into a brow pencil. I've been loving to use the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, but I ran out of that. Instead, we're going to use the Jafra Micro Brow Pencil, and I'm just going to fill in any sparse areas with this. Okay, off camera I put on the e.l.f. Hydrating Cameo Concealer. This is the satin finish one in Fair Warm. I'm going to take my Benai Fair Translucent Powder. I'm going to apply it to, or put some of it onto a mixing palette here, and I'm going to take the QC Makeup Academy fluffy brush. We're just going to set the concealer with this. I love to use this brush for buffing out concealer or doing what I'm doing right now. It's amazing. The Loreal nude palette. And we're gonna take this shade here. I'm gonna use my favorite crease brush to apply the shade. This is the e.l.f. crease brush. I'm going to tap off the excess, and we're going to apply this in the crease. Before I go into a different color, I'm going to blend it. I love using this one as a blender brush. I do have another one, but it's kind of gross right now, so I don't want to show it. But this is pretty much the only one I use for blending. This is the Morphe M453 brush. So we're just going to blend the color in the crease with this. I think this is like the only blending brush I actually use. It's my favorite. to use, I don't really know which one to use. I guess we can use this one. We're going to use this shade to open up the crease. We're going to use another Morphe brush. I love this. Sometimes I use it for blending, sometimes I use it for applying shadow in the crease, and I really like to use it for just kind of putting color in the outer V area. This is the Morphe M433 brush. So I'm going to take this shade, I'm only going to take a little bit of it, and then I'm going to tap off the excess, and then we're going to apply this right in the outer V, a little, and then slightly in the crease. We're going to take this brush, this is from EcoTools, this is an eyeshadow brush. I'm going to take this shade here. I love to use this, especially with this brush, I love to use my DIY finishing spray to kind of really have the color really vibrant, especially when it's a shimmery shade. And we're just going to apply this to the lid. Large angled eyeshadow brush. I love to use this one if I want to apply kind of shimmer on the brow bone. So we're going to take this shade, and my brush fell, and we're going to apply it to the brow bone. I love how this one kind of has a little point at the end. Like, and we're going to go on to eyeliner. I'm going to use the Jafra Duo eyeliner in the color Black Diamond. I'm going to have to get in them. So I'm just going to do a very thin line, I think, for this. One thing that I've been loving to doing is I like to kind of smoke out the liner. So I'm going to take the Morphe M153. I'm going to take the Too Faced I Want Candy palette. I'm going to take Licorice Rope, which is this shade. I'm going to take the brush side, not the spoolie side, obviously. And I'm going to take a little bit of this shade. And we're just going to kind of set and smoke out the liner that we just applied. Not really any, there's one brush that I use when doing mascara, but I wanted to include this as well in another thing. I'm going to use the Tweezerman Rose Gold Lash Curler. I think that I'm going to curl the lashes. Take the Loreal Lash Paradise mascara and apply that to the lashes. I like the rest of the brush that I use for my lashes. This one. This is the Bdellium Bent Glue brush. I know it's a little gross, yeah, but I use this one just to apply the lash glue rather than using a like tweezers to apply the glue. I'm going to go back to the face. So I think I'm going to start with concealer. Yeah, let's start with concealer. So I'm actually going to wipe the mixing palette because I like to use the mixing palette with concealer. So I'm going to take the e.l.f. Hydrating Cameo Concealer, the satin finish one. Actually, you know what? First, we're going to do, actually, yeah, little spaces. Okay. So I'm going to take the Jcat Masterclass face palette, and I like to use a shade in here that it's actually perfect for my skin tone, which is, let's see, which is this one here. I use the Bdellium fiber brush, and I'm just going to apply this to any blemishes that pop through. So like here. And we're just going to leave this as is for now. We're going to go back to the e.l.f. concealer, and we're going to use this to conceal the under eye area. It's a little lighter, so I like to use this concealer for the under eye area. And for that, we're going to use a different brush. We're going to use the Licorice concealer brush. We're just going to apply this under, buffing the concealer in. So I first use this brush to buff the under eye area concealer. I like to use this brush to do that because it's it fits nicely right under the eye. We're going to use a different brush to blend the concealer on the blemishes. So I'm going to use the concealer that the brush that we used to set the eye to do this. This powder, this is the Ben Nye Fair Translucent Powder. I'm going to put some of it on the mixing palette again. I'm going to take the same brush that we used to buff the concealer in, and we're just going to apply it where we put the concealer on the blemishes, just so that the concealer doesn't budge. We're going to apply a cream bronzer. I'm going to use the Jcat Masterclass Face Palette. This is the medium to deep one. And for my skin tone, I actually like to use this shade here. When it comes to cream contour or bronzer, I like to use this brush. This is the Bdellium watercolor brush. I really like how this brush works with cream bronzer and contour. It's really nice. And then I like to kind of buff it out with a beauty blender. Actually spray my beauty blender with my DIY setting spray. Just because sometimes I'm too lazy to get up to the sink. I'm gonna just blend the bronzer. Kind of like to do it kind of up this way. Do some blush. Now I'm gonna use the Honest Beauty cream blush in the color Coral Peach. I love to use especially cream blushes with this brush. This is the e.l.f. blush brush. I'm going to take a little bit of this because it's very, very pigmented. And I'm just going to apply this tiny bit on the apple of the cheek. See, like that is way too much. I kind of like to tone it down with the beauty blender. And then I'm going to take a tiny bit, or what's left from the brush, and just put it on the tip of my nose a little bit. I've been starting to also do it here as well. Okay, so to set the under eye area, I'm going to use my Morphe face palette. This is the medium vibes one. I'm going to take the brightening shade, which is this one. I'm going to use this to set the under eye. Set everywhere else except the bronzer. Now we can set the bronzer, or the cream bronzer. I'm going to use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the color Murmur. I don't know. Okay. I'm going to use I wanted to try the smaller brush for this because I have been using this one. I feel like this is way too big and too fluffy. I mean, I guess it's okay. I guess it's just way too big. I'm gonna try this one to see if it works. And this is from Morphe. This is the face palette, or face brush set from Morphe. Oh yeah, I love this brush to use it for that. I love using this brush. This is really pointed. I like it for that. So this is the e.l.f. highlighting brush. I'm gonna go back to the Morphe face palette, and I go between two shades really, this one and this one. So I'm gonna go with this shade. I'm gonna apply it here, down the nose, here. Okay, so for a lip brush, this is the lip brush that you can only get in a palette, which is kind of disappointing because this is my favorite lip brush ever. And I actually don't know if I think you can only get it in this palette. This is the e.l.f. Runway Ready Berry Bliss lip palette. I love this palette and this brush. So I only use, sometimes when I use a liquid lipstick or an actual lipstick, I use a brush to apply it. But sometimes I do use the lip liner and then I don't have to use the brush. But if I don't have like a matching color with the liquid lipstick, I don't use a lip liner, I only use the brush. So I'm going to use, for a lip product, I'm going to use the Jafra Matte Liquid Matte Lipstick in the color Cupid's Kiss. I love the name of it. And just line my lips first. And by the way, I had a lip balm on before, so by the time I come to the lips, it's all nice and moisturized and ready for lip products. Now, this is my first time using this. I do pick up a little bit more if I need to. And then I'm going to dip into the tube and just... Okay, so I realized I didn't do a Bible verse of the day in my last video. Oops. So I'm doing one today. This one comes from Psalm 145, verse 18. The Lord is near to all who call on Him. To all who call on Him in truth. And again, that was Psalm 145, verse 18. That's literally all of my favorite brushes did this. It's amazing. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!